Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a unboxing. We're going to open this large box behind me, take out the items, go over what they are for, and go from there. Hope you guys have a enjoyable experience, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so we're going to unbox this large box. I'm 6'3", this box is 6'9". Grab our cutter, and I'm going to slightly lay it down. Slide it this way, or rock it this way. Alright. So I'm going to turn the camera, make sure that you guys can see what's going on. There. Wasn't able to inspect this one before FedEx left because they literally put it in the yard and ran. See what we got in here. Alright. Excuse me. Well, at least this is properly packaged. This should be the other headlight. I mean, they just threw the bracket in here just loosely, which is kind of stupid. Why so big? Oh. Alright, so the box is empty. We have the other headlight. I'll put this over here. Other headlight. We have a passenger side bumper bracket, which is scraped up, but it'll be okay because I'll end up repainting it anyways. That's what that looks like. And this, the driver's side bumper bracket, the reason it's not in the box is because the day after I purchased everything, it was out of stock for some reason. This should be the bumper. Right here. Should be the bumper. And it looks like it is. It's definitely the bumper. I swear I'm missing some stuff though. So both headlights, other than that bracket, I swear I'm missing something. This was the last item to be dropped off. This box is completely empty. I don't know why this box is so big. Look, there was no packaging, nothing in the box. The box is empty. Well, gives my wife more I'll also have to show you guys this box. We'll do another video on that. That was the last box, this box right here. We already went over this one. We got some other bumper stuff right here in previous videos, but I gotta go over this box and this right here. So I could have swore there would have been more in that box, unless I got, oh no, I think I got most of everything the other day in the first video. But this is the bumper right here. Gonna lift that up. So at least the bumper is packaged. So this is the bumper. So I'm gonna move this here. For now. And this right here should be the headlight. The other headlight I was waiting for. We'll open this real quick. I'm not gonna open the bumper. You guys are just gonna have to trust me. This right here is the metal bumper. It's pretty heavy. But I will open this so we can look at it real quick. This one actually has proper packaging. Look at that. I'll be dipped. Actually has nice packaging. Actually, this one's packaged different than the other one. It's kind of odd. So here's the headlight. It's not even the same. That's odd. This is not even the same headlight as the other one. That's very, very weird. I'm definitely gonna have to call them and find out why I was sent two different headlights. This one right here, some weird goo on the boot. It does have a light bulb in it. But this headlight's different, definitely different. It doesn't have the three little glass nipples on it. Let me go grab the other one. That's odd. So this is the other headlight. This is a little frustrating. This one's by Depot. The one I just unpackaged says Eagle Eye on it. So this one actually has normal packaging. This is normal packaging. So that's, all this foam is a little odd to me. So I'll put this down. Move this box. So this is actually a normal headlight, a traditional headlight. It's got these glass little nipples on it. So these aren't even the same. Like, these brackets are silver, these are black, this is white, this is blue. It's not even close to being the same. Not even the glass isn't even. It's a little odd to me. This one actually has a protective cap for the light bulb. This boot is a lot nicer. This one, these screws are yellow, or these are white. It's interesting. It's not the same. This hole on this side is large. These are both about a little bit close to about the same size, maybe a little bit bigger on this one, but this one is like really tiny. So I'm gonna have to contact them and find out why I was sent two different headlights. It seems a little odd to me. This weird crustiness on this boot is also a little odd. You know, I'm not technically going to be using the glass anyways. It's not really a big deal. But I'm going to be using these brackets. But, you know, that's a little frustrating that they're not even the same brand. This one right here, it says Depot in the glass. And this one says Eagle Eye in the glass. It's definitely frustrating because this is a set. This one doesn't have a date code, but this one does. It has a date code imprinted on it. So that's a little odd to me. I'm not sure why they would have done that. I have to order this bracket when it comes back in stock because they couldn't just hold my $11 until they got it, you know, in stock. They've literally canceled my order without me even being able to do anything about it, which was kind of stupid. But yeah, that's a little frustrating. These lights aren't even the same, so I'm gonna have to give them a call. I'm not gonna take the bumper out the box until I'm ready to paint it and you know, sandblast it, re-prime it, paint it and everything because it's black. And I need to have it silver, so I need to put a gray primer on it. But you know, that's it for today. There wasn't really much in that box. I'm gonna have to call them and find out where everything I ordered is, because there was several other items that seems like I didn't get. And I'm gonna have to discuss why these headlights are different. But that's all I got for you guys today. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. This is the headlight that just came in. It's a little frustrating. And they ended up come to find out they ended up coming from different warehouses. This one came from Texas, this one came from Nevada. Might be why they're different. It seems a little odd to me. Like this right here is perfectly square on this one. And this one is a square peg in a round hole. So they're definitely not the same. It's very odd in my opinion. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. You know, it's not really too big of a deal. I'm not using the lenses. It would have been nice if the lenses were at least identical, by the same brand at least. But you know, this little indent right here, and it being in a round hole and it being a little bit further back, is not going to allow the light to be aligned properly. It's odd. It's very, very odd to me, you know, but I'll figure it out, guys. Picked up some parts for the 2000 4Runner SR5 that got wrecked. You know, actually, I think I'd probably be using these lights because the SR5 lights, my halos and HIDs I'm going to be putting on the limited. And the original ones I took off of the SR5, the lenses were partially cracked, the glass lenses. So the reflectors didn't really work. But I'll make some phone calls, find out why they're different, and we'll go from there. I've never really had, you know, problems like this before with carparts.com. Usually they're very good about it, and their warranties are great. You know, I'd call them and say, hey, look, these aren't the same, and they'll usually just send me another one. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. This is the driver's side that I got today in this video, and this is the passenger side. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope you guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. You guys stay safe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!